Hey guys, I'm James. Welcome to our episode of A+ Garages. Today we got Mark with us.
Yeah, hey guys. We're gonna check out my garage. It's been a lot of years in the making. I'm gonna open it up with my phone, with my cue, show you what's inside. I always bring in like a sparkling water, keep me refreshed. I'm gonna open this other door. You can come over here. I've got my A+ stickers here right by the door. This is the new one. I've got an old one over here that's probably gonna break anytime. So I'll definitely be calling A+ to get a new door on there. But let's go take a look at the crown jewel. So you may have seen people with half pipes in their garages. Something I skated a lot when I was a kid. Actually, I have some pictures. You come over here. I've got some pictures on my wall here. I was probably like 12, I think middle school, 12 or 13 years old here. Here's another one in color. My dad built me my first skate ramp. It was just a flyaway like that. And so I skated for, I don't know, like 10 years or so. Then I stopped. And back in here, this was like 10 years ago in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I saw Tony Hawk and Andy McDonald skating at the grand opening of a new skate park, and it totally inspired me. I had stopped for like 15 years. I'm like, I gotta do this again. So I thought I would hurt myself. I did. I ended up breaking this shoulder pretty bad on this exact spot in the bowl. I was up here, kind of free fell like 8 feet onto the cement. Later I met Tony Hawk. I got him to sign something for my son, Simon. But I come out here pretty much every day after work, sometimes before work. It's kind of like my Superman's inner sanctum or the Crystal Palace. You know, I write little quotes on the boards over here. So it took a few weeks to put it together. I bought the frame, but it's been so satisfying. And like literally, I do all my exercise in here. I skate for like 30 minutes every day. So I'll just put on my gear now, and then I'll skate a little, show you how it works. Got to protect the head. I've actually hit my head on the cement pretty hard a couple times, so got to wear a helmet. This is a helmet that both my son and I both hit rocks or cement really hard on bikes, so I kept it up there as a reminder that it's kept us safe. Always wear a helmet. This is one of my boards. I've had a lot of boards. It's got some Pac-Man designs on top. This board is kind of cool here. It's my daughter's board, but I got it signed by like Sky Brown and Ocean Brown and a bunch of professional skaters that came here to Salt Lake. So those are all famous skateboarders that signed this thing. So usually when I skate, I kind of take like 10 minutes or so, warm up, do some basic things before I start working on the harder tricks, because you can definitely hurt yourself. And usually also say a little prayer before I skate to make sure I'm safe, you know. It's like dangerous enough that it keeps you focused, but it's not so dangerous that I think I'm gonna like kill myself. So it's a good balance. I'll take my phone out of my pocket right there. So I'll just do a few things. Like I said, I gotta warm up a little bit first before I do some other tricks. That's called a disaster. Nice. Whoops. Yeah, so. All right, so, okay, yeah, I'll stretch a little. I'll try a couple other things. All right. This one's called a rock to fakie. You can go the other way too. So yeah, this is my garage. I hope you liked it. And then if you have a sweet garage that you consider an A+ garage, leave a comment for us, message us. Little grind. It'd be awesome to come film your garage too.